Assalamualaikum viewers. Today's reading is about um, if they love you, uh, the person you love, or they love you instead, and they are, you have to choose in between these two piles, and this is pile number 1. This is pile number 2. I'm going to is the pile number 2. Those who choose pile number 1 with this crystal Mathabindia, your first card is uh, they are thinking about you, they are dreaming about you, they are thinking about your proposal, or maybe they are thinking about you. Okay, maybe they have the dream about you that you are going to be their husband, wife, life partner, or something. They are coming towards you slow and steadily. Okay, and with 9 of Pentacles, they don't have pleasure or happy desires towards you, but I think they are coming towards you. Okay, they are having their time to think about you, to decide about this situation, to decide that they want to marry you, or they want to love you or not. Okay, I think they are coming towards you. They are deciding over this situation, and little bit they have some love in their heart for you, and they are defending themselves. Maybe they are defending your thoughts, or maybe they are defending themselves from someone, some person. Okay, they are defending themselves over here. I want to clarify this card. Okay, because they don't want anybody to break their happy home life, their love life. Maybe they had broken heart from someone else, or they have that kind of experience from someone else, and now they don't want you or anybody to break their heart. They are afraid of that thing. They are restricted you, or they are restricted from someone else. Both situation, and that's why they are restricted from someone else, and that's why they are not able to start something new with you, a new life with you, with passion, with love. And with Judgment card, this is also upside down, or in opposite, in reverse position. That's mean that there is no help from universe, there is nothing, no change in this situation. They are coming towards you, but they are restricted. They are thinking about you, they have thoughts about you, but they are restricted from someone, and they are definitely attracted towards you. They want to marry you, and they are planning about that situation. They are listening to the birds chirping, or they are planning over this situation. And with this 9 of swords, and they are having the nightmares because of this situation. They are crying about this situation. They can't sleep during night. They are having very stress. They having very stress, and I think they want to move towards you, and they are restricted. That's why they are crying. Yes, definitely the deception. Maybe someone is telling them. Uh, they are not telling them lie. They are having the mask on their face, or you are that person. You are having mask on their face. You are not telling them the right thing. Or maybe they have the mask on their face. They are not telling you that they have someone in their life, or someone had restricted them. They are not able to marry you, and something like this. And carnivorous flower fairy. Okay, this is upside down. They don't tell you anything. They are afraid of something, and that's why they are not telling you. They are having the mask on their face. I think they have some other person in their life, and that's why they are not telling them you. And they are not the bad person. I think so. They want you in their life, but they are restricted from some person, and they are the mouse person. They want to steal something from you, they want to do something to you. I want to pull some more cards for you. I think you need some power, some energy to ask them that what they want from you, or to for search about them. Someone is not wise over here. They are not deciding with mind. They are using their hurt to in this situation, and they don't want to wait for anybody. Maybe that person don't want to wait for anybody, and they are not crying about anything, and they want to have a relationship with that person. Definitely I think that you are going to marry that person, you are going to have family with that person, and then they are going to leave you. Yes, that's what the situation is. They are going to leave you because they want some other person in their life, and they are attractive towards someone other, or maybe they are already married and they are now destroying that relationship with that other person in order to come towards you. Yes, this is also the situation. That person is a liar. That person is yes, definitely they want to leave you. They are destroy the relationship with you, and they are going towards someone other, and they are they're going to success in this situation. Yes, that person is not the one party person. I want to pull some cards for you, and your first card is it's you who can do it. They are telling you it's you who can do it. If you ask them if to marry, if you propose them, then they will come to you. I will surely feel or make you happy. They are telling you I will surely make or feel you happy. Then I want to marry you. This is from you both. Maybe you want to marry them. This is from you. I need you. You need them, and then I am coming. They are telling you I am coming. I am there for you. I am coming. Oh no, where is this? And my children are stopping me. They are telling, definitely they have a relationship with other person, some other person. They are telling you that their children are stopping them. My father is not agree. Maybe this is from you. Your father is not agree about this, or maybe this is from them. And we will meet in heaven. Okay, now they are telling you we will meet in heaven. Okay. Oh baby, don't break my heart. This is maybe this is you. You are telling them that this is the song from Indian movie, and you are telling them that don't break my heart. I love you. You are telling them that you love them. I have lose my heart over you. You are telling them, and what I want you in my life. Maybe this is that person that is telling you that my mother is not agree. Their mother is also not agree. Their children, their father, their mother, they are not agree in this situation. Yes, definitely they are restricted to because of that person. That because of these persons, because of their children, because of their parents. Okay, and they are not going to come towards you. Okay, they are giving you the flower. They definitely love you. They want to have you in their life, but they are not able because their family is not agree with them. Okay, consultant. You have to consult with mentors, with tarot card readers, or some. You have to do some istikhara about this situation. Knowledge is power. Information is liberating. Education is the premise of progress in every society, in every family. Yes, you have to know more about that situation. You have to watch more videos, my videos or someone else videos, okay, about this situation for your love life. Dogs on duty, this person is loyal to you, but they are restricted. That's why their energy is of rat energy, because they don't take you with them. They don't take this relationship much longer. Empty words and long praises do not impress God. Show him your faith by your deeds. Okay, don't stress over it. Don't fight with them. Don't have a conversation. Don't have fight with them, because they are restricted by themselves. They can't do anything over there, because they are in love with you. They are thinking about you. Waves of water, they have a lot of emotion about you, and you also have a love for them. And pitcher plant, this situation is like a pitcher plant. If you want to go towards them, they use you, and then they throw you out from their life, because all of their family, they don't want you in their life. They don't want you, they don't need you. Lotus, spiritually holy thing, pure. Okay, this person's heart is pure, your heart is pure, you love that person, they love you, or but there's no, I think there's no good future in between you both. Maybe their family was telling them that you are not good person, that you are doing this, you are doing that, or in your future they will tell them this is not good, she is not good, or he is not good, and they want to break your relationship. A plain death, or and this will only bring you the disaster. The relationship will be broke, definitely. That we will see in through the cards. And what is this? You have to go towards someone else, so you can shine, your life can shine, and you have to forgive and forget that person with this Anwari's ring. No upside brought worse, greed, hate, jealousy turned something to invisible, cursed, toxic monster. Yes, this person's energy is not good. They are greedy person, they need you, and then when they had used you, they use you, they will going to leave you. This person is forced to leave you. Okay, and with this tree of Ledar, and with this card, this will going to happen with you again and again and again. This will never going to happen. They will treat you badly, they will call you, they will abuse you, they will call you name, they will abuse you, they will tell you to get out from their father's life or their child's life, and this is not the good situation for you, for anybody. I think that you are more wise to decide what is good for you, what is not. So do it as you want to do, but this situation is not good. That person is not good for you. Now this is that's what I got for you for today. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about your situation, then go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to know more about this situation, or if you want to see my upcoming video, then you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get all of my new videos on time. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I am going towards my reading number 2. Okay, those who choose the pile number 2, your first card is you're not happy with this situation. You're not thinking about that person, or that person is not happy in this situation. They think about someone else, and they are not happy with this offer, and or maybe they are not taking this offer. They are losing you. They are leaving you also. They are going towards someone else, some place else. Okay, they are not even fighting with you about this situation. They are not fighting with, they um, they are leaving you quietly. You don't going to know that they are going to leave you. Okay, with this magician, you want to or they want to build something new. They want to have someone else. They are working about that situation, or this is you, that you want to live with them, and you are doing a lot of work, a lot of efforts to make them happy, to make them love you, and you have a lot of desires towards that person. I think that you had made them change. You had changed them. Okay, you will change them, and they, or maybe your prayers will bring someone else in your life that is going to love you. That person is going to love you, but this person is not good for you. The person that they are thinking about someone else, they want to leave you. They are not fighting with you. Your prayers will bring them, will change them, or they think something else about this love ship, about this relationship, and they have mask on their face. They need you, and they are going to marry you because they need you. They are going to restrict you. They are going to change you. Okay, they are doing here something that you don't know that they are doing. Okay, well, and then this card, you still have love for them. Your heart is filled of that love. This could be the one. This card is upside down because this person is not good for you. The universe is telling you that this person is not good for you. So please don't cry for that person. Don't pray for that person. Don't listen to that person. They are not good for you. They are like the ghost people. They are faceless ghosts. Okay, and definitely this person is not good for you. They will kill you. They will destroy your invasion boundaries, violated dominance. Okay, this person is definitely not good for you. The signs are with you. The angels are giving you the signs, telling you that this person is not good for you. Butterfly, this person is like butterfly. The butterfly person needs money. They use others to have money, to make money, and then they fly from them towards someone else. They are beautiful person. They are attractive person, but they have no heart. They are cold person. They are cold blooded. They don't have a relationship with someone. They only use other person. They don't love you. This love is not really the love. This is something else. They only want to use you, and then they will leave you. Rather they leave you, or they will do something bad to you. They will kill you, or they abuse you, something like this. This person is not good for you. I want to pull some more cards for you. My question is that what did they have in their mind, in their heart for you? What they are thinking about you? The first card is you are not my soulmate. They are telling you, they have in their mind that you are not their soulmate. They definitely don't love you. Okay, I think this will happen in some or few days. They are thinking that this relationship is going to happen in some or few days, or maybe you are going to know. Don't want to listen anybody. They don't want you to listen anybody. They want you to only listen them because they have something for you. They are planned something for you. Let me go. You are telling them, let me go. I want to marry you. This is from them. They want to marry you. Or maybe this let me go, they are first asking you to let me go, then they have something in their mind, and they are going to propose you, I am waiting for you. You are telling them, I am waiting for you. It's you who make me feel like this. This is you. You are telling them, this is you destroy my life. They are telling you, you destroy my life. Or maybe this is in their mind, that you had destroyed my life, now I am going to destroy yours. Okay, I feel me, I am there. You're telling them, feel me, I am there. And then, I want to kill you. They want to kill you. Definitely, I had tell you that they want to kill you. They want to do something bad to you. We will meet someday. You are telling them, we will meet someday. This is the truth. This is the truth, that they want to meet you. They want to have a relationship with you, but they had something in their mind. They are not loyal to you. I want to pull some more card for you. Okay, your first card is Emperor Penguin. Emperor, and this person, when they mix their mind, nobody can move them from that. Nobody can change them. And that person is unique, and they have lots of things in them. They are hiding lots of things, or you are the things that you are not know about them. Yes, and they have eye on you. They have their eye on you. Yes, they are having their eye on you because they are planning something about you. And with this other card, see, unknown, hidden. Yes, definitely this person is unknown and hidden, and you don't know about them. You don't have lots of knowledge about that person, and you are going to marry that person. First, gather knowledge about that person, where they are from, what they want to do, what's happened to them. Okay, few sign of hope and plenty success and happiness. Yes, you are going to have plenty of success, plenty of happiness due to this card. Something is going to open to you. Okay, with this this need, distress, confusion, conflict, and power of will to overcome them. Yes, you powerly want to overcome that situation. You want that person in your life. You want to marry that person, and you are not. You don't want to see the reality, what they really want with you, from you. Hamidal, god of the vigilance, and the guardian of Bifrost, the gateway to Asgard. You want to make some way or bridge towards that person, to reach to that person, or they are doing this towards you. Algae's trident protection. You have Algae's trident of protection, or this is the card of what? This is a card of Trishul. We call in Hindi language. Protective urge to shelter oneself or others. Nine of Wands. Someone is going to protect you. I think Allah is with you, or your God is with you, and they are telling they are going to protect you from that person. That's why they are telling you these things. Before Thor, okay, Thor, god of the thunder, son of Odin, and thunderstorms. Okay, the God is with you. They are going to punish them because you are the loyal person, you are the faithful person towards that person, and that person hiding some bad thing from you. Lucifer, story of fallen angel. Pride make you demon. Okay, make someone your follower on wrong path. Yes, they want you to follow them. Good will win surely. Yes, good will win surely. Don't get involved in the bad deeds. Follow God's rules. Okay. Yes, surely you are going to, if you want to have the clarity, then God will give you the clarity. Go and find what is the truth. What is the truth about this situation? What did that person want from you? Did they have some hidden desires towards you? But did they have some they want to do something bad to you. Freya, the god of spring and summer, the sun, the rain, and the harvest, abundance and fertility, growth, vitality. Freya is the twin brother of Priya, and like his sister is associated with great beauty. He is a lord of the Alfheim, and definitely I think you will going to move from that person, and you will have the good time in your life. And with this, what is this last card, INFJ. Yes, definitely I think you are the introvert. Some persons, you are very wise, very intuitive, and very alert person. So you are going to have some clarity, you are going to find some clarity about that situation, and you are going to know about that person, that this person is not good for you and they want to do something bad to you, and you are definitely going moving from that situation, moving from that person. That's why you are going to have a lot of happiness in your life. And that trident card, I'll guess that you are protected from your higher self or from universe. Okay, that's I have for you for today. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about your situation, then go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to know or if you want to see my upcoming videos, then you have to subscribe and press bell icon, so you can get all of my new videos at the time. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other next time.